guys, it's Katie with Kansas Hydrographics. We are here to show you our blue metallic brush. This is a 90 centimeter print. It does have a metallic finish. Blue and transparent, it's not all blue. We are going to dip it to a black speed shape, simply because, as you can see on the white base here, it's almost kind of hard to see. I think we'll have a better outcome on a darker base coat. We're going to use Hydrographics Activator and 1 minute soak time. This is actually on our black DTP. And this is also a perfect scenario of, it is not always shiny side down. This is a shiny side up pattern. So you always go with what's sticky. And again, the look of that can change a whole lot depending on your base coat. That is a black base coat. You could use a white base coat. It's going to look a whole lot different. You could use a charcoal metallic. You could use just about anything, but it will drastically change, you know, the final outcome of the print. Anywho, that will be in the stones and metals section, and of course that's at kansashydrographics.com. Thank you guys, we'll see you next time.